In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to fix if you're having not all RAM usable in Windows 11. So if you're having a trouble with your RAM, it says it is not 100% using your RAM. And if you're having this kind of trouble, this is what we have to do. So the first one, what you need to do is we have to go over here in the search. Now we need to type here for msconfig. Then you just need to click on the system configuration here. Once it pop up, you have to go to the boot. Now from here you have to click on advanced option. Now from here you have to put a check on maximum memory and just go for OK here. Once you're done with this one, what you need to do is it might ask you to do a restart. So if it is asking for a restart, do a restart and you have to check. If not, what you need to do is we have to go over here, type here for registry editor and you have to click on this. Now from here go for yes. Once you get into this, we have to go to the HK local machine. From here you have to go to the system. From here we have to go to current control set. Now from here we have to navigate to the control. Now from here we have to scroll it down all the way down and navigate to the session manager here. So click on the session manager and from here what you need to do is click on the memory management. Now go over here at the top that called clear page file at shutdown. You have to double click on this. Make sure the value is being set to 0. If it is 1, change the value to the 0 and just go for OK. And you have to close this and you have to check. And this is what we have to do, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.